to make your own hand sanitizer. No pure, no problem. When disinfecting gel sells out everywhere, you can just make some yourself with stuff you maybe already have at home. Properly scrubbing your hand is one of the best ways to stop the spread of germs and viruses, and to ensure you don't get sick yourself. But if you don't have access to soap and clean water, or if you're out and about and nowhere near a sink, you should carry hand sanitizer to protect your health. As you're no doubt aware, bottles and hand sanitizer, pure, wet ones and the like, sell out quickly during the public health crisis. But don't worry, making your own hand sanitizer is remarkably easy. You just have to be careful you don't mess it up. Make sure that the tools you use for mixing are properly sanitized. Otherwise, you could contaminate the whole thing. Also, the World Health Organization recommends letting your concoction sit for a minimum of 72 hours after you're done. That way, the sanitizer has time to kill any bacteria that may have been introduced during the mixing process. Note: to reiterate, nothing beats washing your hand. Hand sanitizer, even real, professionally made stuff, should always be a last resort. We actually have 2 recipes for you, and a link to find the ingredients. The first is one you can make with stuff you likely already have in your cabinets and under the sink, so it's effective in emergency situations. The second recipe is more complex, but easy to make if you have the opportunity to do some shopping and planning ahead of time. Potency matters. You're going to need some alcohol. According to the Center of Disease Control and Prevention, your sanitizer mix must be at least 60% alcohol to be effective. But it's better to get way above that. A bottle of 99% isopropyl alcohol is the best thing to use. Your regular vodka and whiskey are too wimpy and won't cut it. The quick gel recipe: isopropyl alcohol, aloe vera gel, tea tree oil. Mix 3 parts isopropyl alcohol to 1 part aloe vera gel. Add a few drops of tea tree oil to give it a pleasant scent and align your chakras. The better spray recipe: isopropyl alcohol, glycerol or glycerin, hydrogen peroxide, distilled water, spray bottle. The aloe mixture gets the job done, but aloe also leaves your skin annoyingly sticky. So here's a recipe that less sticky and more potent based on mix recommended by World Health Organization. Mix 1½ cups alcohol with 2 teaspoons of glycerol. You can buy jugs of glycerol online, and it's an important ingredient because it keeps the alcohol from drying out your hand. If you can't find glycerol, proceed with the rest of recipe anyway, and just remember to moisturize your hand after applying the sanitizer. Mix in 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide, then another cup of distilled or boiled then cold water if you're working with a lower concentration solution of rubbing alcohol. Use for less water. Remember, at least of your final mixture has to be alcohol. Load the solution into spray bottles. This isn't a gel, it's a spray. You can wet a paper towel with it as well and use it as a wipe. If you must, you can add in its place essential oil to your concoction to make it smell nice. Just don't use lavender. Everyone else use lavender and your sanitizer is superior.